Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Usnul Hakim. I'm student of Maritim Raja Ali Haji University, Faculty Teacher Trainee and Education, major in Mathematics Education. In this video, I will tell and explain about my department, that is Mathematics Education. The first one, what is a mathematics education major? The Department of Mathematics Education is the science of numbers and calculation that studies a combination of pure and applied mathematics. In mathematics education, we will study such as algebra, geometry, mathematical analysis, statistics, computing, factorial, and operation research. But it doesn't stop there. In this department, you will also be taught how to teach this science in a fun way to students so that it is easy to understand. Therefore, in generally, graduate majoring in mathematics education will become teachers. Okay, the second two, who is suitable for majoring in mathematics education? The mathematics education major is suitable for you who like math but also have a passion for teaching, because many students feel that mathematics is difficult subject. Therefore, in this teaching, creativity is also needed to find more exciting and effective learn methods so that mathematics is no longer considered difficult to take part in the equal distribution of quality education programs in Indonesia. The next, lectures and courses in Department of Mathematics Education. Lectures in Department of Mathematics Education for 4 years of college. You don't just learn math, but you learn how to teach math to students so it's easy to understand and digest. You are also required to be creative, so that the atmosphere of learning mathematics in class is fun. To hone your teaching skill, you will also join the field experience program. Through this program, you will directly teach students at school for a certain period of time. And then, this is courses in the Department of Mathematics Education. You can see at this slide. The fourth is job prospect graduate majoring in mathematics education. First, you can be an academy. Graduates of the Department of Mathematics Education are prepared to become teachers or mathematics teachers or at the junior high school or high school level. Besides graduating from this department, we can also become reliable entrepreneurs in the field of education, because having a background in education science allow us to offer tutoring or private mathematics as an alternative to student learning outside of the school. And then you can be an actuary. An actuary will use statistics to determine the probability of certain events occurring. Furthermore, they will seek to minimize the risk associated with the event. An actuary usually work in the insurance industry, where they will help companies to design policies and determine the premiums to be paid. Mathematics education is one of the majors that allows you to work as an actuary. And then, market research analyst. A market research analyst will help companies to decide what products consumers will buy and how to promote them. They will use the data that has been collected in the field of and use statistical method to analyze it. Next is cost analyst. The cost estimator is someone in charge of calculating the cost of completing a construction or manufacturing project. The cost estimator will take into account expense or costs related to labor, raw material, and equipment use. A cost estimator requires strong mathematical skills for a construction project to run efficiently. And you can be a statistics expert. In simple terms, statisticians work by collecting data that enable governments, companies, and universities to answer certain questions. The statistician will use mathematical techniques, decide what method to use, and how to solve the problem at hand. They are also tasked with design surveys, experiment, and problem and police to further analyze the data that has been collected. Education in statistics or mathematics is very much needed in order to be able to carry out these work activities optimally. If possible, continue to master. And there are many other mathematics education job prospects that I can mention. Last, in mathematics education, you will be required several characters that includes be careful, persistent, rational, structured, independent, happy to count, communication skill, interpersonal skills. Okay guys, maybe that's enough from me. I'm sorry for all mistakes in this video. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.